just what I thought. Like, I'm done with my bouquet of flowers. Now, look. Oh my God. Wow. Loving my ass. Look at this. Black chanterelles. Oh, the hillside. But see, you can't see them from afar. You have to be the observant writer. Then you notice. You go in for the kill. And you see. Look. There it is. It's beautiful. I think I found a whole bunch of funny down 11 Memorial. Bag filled with looks like Matsutakes. For you guys who don't know what the Matsutakes are, don't eat things with white caps, generally destroying angels and death caps. But Matsutakes are the exception. Usually you can tell because they aren't the heavy, the weight, and they don't have a ball with the I found a whole bunch of them. Like walk in the forest. Get out, live a little. You might be able to go to either. I don't cook, so I can go to an Asian restaurant and see if they want to just trade some mushrooms for really delicious food. It's New York.